Namaste everyone, wish you all wonderful positive energies. So today I am here to present one Maharashtrian recipe. It is a traditional recipe prepared in Maharashtra and it is called as ukkad. So it is basically main ingredients are the buttermilk and rice flour and it's really very good to digest. It can be taken by the toddlers until the old age people also. So anybody can have this. So let us have a look at ingredients. So this is buttermilk. I have mixed buttermilk with some rice flour. So it's like ratio, you can take like 2 to 3 big spoons of rice flour and 2-3 glasses of buttermilk. So it's like that. So next I have taken curry leaves for the tadka, garlic as well as some chopped ginger. So garlic you can avoid if you don't eat that, but it has good medicinal properties, though it is not advised to take regularly. Then some haldi is there, rye, hing and some water. You can also use some jeera if you like it. It's again good for digestion, and obviously we will add some namak or salt in it. So let us switch on the flame. I have already added some oil in the kadhai. So you can take the oil as per your requirement and proceed. Now the oil must be heated nicely. I am adding some rye to it. So I am adding little more rye because it really looks good in the recipe. Now I'll add the garlic pods here. Let it fry for a minute or few seconds at least. Now it started turning golden. I am adding cut ginger here. Will fry nicely. You can also use a quantity of oil lesser. I'll add all these curry leaves. We'll add some hing here. I'm also using a little bit more quantity of the hing because the flavor is really very nice then. And finally adding some haldi. You can also add some chilies if you like, but I am avoiding adding this. Traditionally this recipe is prepared with little bit more quantity of oil. Now the tadka is ready. And I am adding this mixture of buttermilk and rice flour to this. Add slowly. So this time this is really very thin, but obviously the rice flour is mixed in that, so it will cook and it will be thicker. So I am adding some more water to it. Now I am making the flame little higher speed, and then I'll just keep this stirring. It will take almost 7 to 8 minutes to get the boil, and after boiling also we should cook it for more time. So it's like you keep it stirring continuously in between, and if you feel like it is getting more thicker, then you can add some water as required. So you can see this already started thickening after boiling for 6 to 7 minutes. I kept it stirring continuously to avoid any lumps. So now at this stage I'll add the salt as per taste. Stir again and let it boil for 3-4 more minutes, so it will get more thicker. So now it is getting more thicker. I kept it stirring continuously. So you can switch off the flame at this stage, because after little bit cool down it will turn more thick. And if you require that or like that more thicker, then you can also keep it on the flame for 2-3 more minutes and then switch off the flame. So now I am transferring this to the serving bowl. As I mentioned earlier, you can also wait for 2-3 more minutes to thicken it more if you like that way. And now I am adding some raw oil on this. So traditionally it is consumed this way, but if you don't like the oil or feeling to have like little more healthier, then you can also avoid this oil. Thank you so much. Enjoy this traditional healthy recipe. Wish you all wonderful positive energies again. Thank you so much.